Yeah, right, especially when you trade with prop firm accounts, one major mistake most of the traders make is you keep taking lot of trades. So sometimes you make profits and again you lose. So I want to share a strategy which, right, if you follow properly, 90%, 95% of the time you'll make profits every day. So I'll explain you the strategy, what are the steps, how to do it, and how to use our indicator, right? Especially you can use price pulse indicator that will help you to achieve that. Let me share. So I hope everyone knows, right? One of the top indicators we use is top trend, which is mainly good for your scalping. So you follow whenever you see sell with a red background, you take a shot, or when you see a buy with a green background, you take a. So mainly you look at the table, you look at the colors. If majority of the color is green, you can go with long, or majority of the table background T5 everything is red, we go with short. So most of you know how to use uptrend, right? As of now NQES they are very bullish. That is one reason we took bull put spreads for tomorrow. uh, but yeah, the strategy which I want to explain you is the price pulse strategy. So what do you mean by price pulse, right? This indicator, this price pulse indicator mainly helps us to know where the big companies are buying, where the big companies are selling. So one thing you need to know is there is a concept called as liquidity zones. Right? What do you mean by liquidity? Where you have huge buy orders and huge sell orders. So whenever, right, for any instrument, whether it is stocks or futures or currencies, generally the price always want to travel to a liquidity zone. Right? For example, here you can see there was a huge liquidity zone, right? Around 72,000 sell orders, 8,000 sell orders, or 7.7 thousand sell orders. So price went all the way to that zone, right? That is the liquidity zone, or that is the sell zone where there are a lot of sell orders. Then price came all the way to the bottom. So here you can see there are 75,000 orders, 6,000 orders, another maybe some 5,000 orders. So price came all the way here and then started moving up. So generally your discount zone, if it also has a lot of buy orders, or your premium zone, if it has lot of sell orders, price generally moves between these zones, right? One is your premium zone, that is where sellers want to sell, and then you have the equilibrium zone or the midpoint, which is like where it is like a fair value price. Both buyers and sellers, they try to compete here. So sometimes price will go till here and then come back, and again next time it may break, or whenever it is coming from the top, it may this will act as a support. When price is going from here, it will act as a resistance, right? Price may go here and then again drop, right? Tomorrow 20,400 is our target for NQ. It started going up, came down. So now you know what is liquidity. Liquidity means the places or the points where there can be lot of buy orders and sell orders. So if you want to buy a home in some new community, what do you do generally? You want, right? Let us say you want to buy a home in a community. How much price you want to put for the home, right? To do that, how do you estimate it, or how do you find that? Or if you want to sell a home, how do you estimate like what should be the selling price? Right? I enable the comments. If anybody want to put, you can put the comments. Right? Whenever you want to buy or whenever you want to sell a home, how do you estimate, or how do you find out what is a proper price, right? You cannot put lot of very huge price, or you cannot put very low price. So how to find that? Right, check the neighborhood price, right? That is good, right? You see like what are the, in the same community, if you have a 5 bedroom house, you will see if there are any other homes which are sold similar to your home, what is the price it got sold. You will try to sell somewhere around that. Or if you want to buy also, you want to buy somewhere around that price, right? You will see. So in trading also, there is a concept called what is the previous day high, previous day low, right? That means on Friday, what was the highest price and what was the lowest price. So generally, lot of sellers will put their, right, where they want to sell, they want to sell somewhere close to the high price. Where they want to buy, they want to buy somewhere close to the low price of the previous day. So that is our step number one. So already our price pulse will give you that, right? Okay, on Friday, NQ went all the way to the 2071, and NQ went all the way to 2276. So your step number one, right? If you want to make that for 3, 400, 500 every day with each trading account, right? If you have 10 accounts, you can make $3,000 to $4,000. So the strategy is your step number one always, right? You want to consistently make with, right? You don't need to spend throughout the day, and you don't need to spend 10 hours, 12 hours a day. You want to make consistently three, $400 or $500 on each account. So the first thing is identify the previous day high and previous day low price, right? For any, right? Generally, this is very good for NQ, ES, RTY, YM. So for these tickers, so even if you just focus on NQ and ES, easily we can make $400-500 every day, right? So the step number one, we have to identify what is the previous day, right? If you are trading on Monday, that means today, right? For futures, it is already Monday because it's a global market. So Monday started for futures trading. So you will see on Friday what was the high, previous low, and previous high. So first step is, again, you don't need to do it manually. Your price pulse will do it. It will tell you, okay, your previous low was this and previous high was this. And then step number two, wait for the sweep of the previous day high or low, right? That means don't take the trades before price sweeps that, right? Because there is a lot of liquidity there. So whenever you want to take a trade, you always wait for price to go. For example, tomorrow morning sometime you may see it 20,300. Or let us say tomorrow you may see somewhere around 20,071, means around 20,050 or 20,040. So until that time, right, if you want to, right, if you are having problem with scalping using top trend, or with your emotions, whatever it is, this is a consistent strategy where you can easily make profits. So step number one, identify what is the previous high, previous low. So if you go to price pulse, it will show you what is the price. If I go to ES, it will show what is the price. Right? It is telling 57.40 is the lowest price, 57.93 is the highest price. So step number two is either you wait for the price to go above this, or you wait for the price to go below this, right? It will happen generally by the time tomorrow morning market opens. Either it will be somewhere here, right, around 58.04, something around this point. Or if Europe market starts going down, by tomorrow morning it will be somewhere here when market opens, right? Either it should be somewhere at the midpoint equilibrium, or somewhere it should be at the discount, right? Are you clear with step number one, step number two? So you have to delete and add it back. If anybody is not seeing the previous day high, previous day low, you have to, yeah, just to delete and add it back.
So,
So
when you say discount price, you mean the previous day low is what you mean by the discount price?
no, right, it need not be your previous low, need not be a discount. But generally, if it is going below the previous day low price, generally it will be in a discount zone, right?
Oh.
So for example, here it is at a, it is close to discount, but it doesn't mean that always your previous low price will be at discount. So all you are doing is you have to wait until the price goes below the low or goes below the high, right? Because you have lot of, there will be lot of buy orders or sell order, right? For example, here there are lot of buy orders here. So if price comes here, lot of retail traders, what they will think, right? For example, tomorrow, let us say, once Europe market starts, they will start dropping it, dropping. They will bring it all the way down. Many traders, when they come in the morning, they think that, oh, market is down, right? Because of elections or because of Iran-Iraq war or something. They feel that, oh, market is dropping, they will short the market. Then immediately there are hundreds of thousands of buy orders by the big companies here. They will start moving the market all the way to the top.
Mm.
Or you may see, right, tomorrow morning when market opens, you will see somewhere here, you see that, oh, futures market is going up, let me go long, right? Retail traders, they feel like, oh, it is going very good. So immediately they will dump it, right? That's what market makers do. Whenever you think market is going up, they will dump it. Whenever you think market is going down, they will take it up. So it is very important. Step is always identify what is the previous day low, previous day high, and wait for the price to go either to the top or wait for it to go to the bottom. It may somewhere come here, and then there are a lot of, right, because you are seeing these buy order blocks, you know that price will go up. But most of the retail traders don't have this information. They feel like, oh, market is in a downtrend, let me short it. So your step one is done. Step two is just wait with patience without taking some random trades. Wait with patience. Once that done, right, once that happens, your step number three is basically you wait for the order block retest, or you will find a fair value gap, right? For example, let us take an example. So what do you mean by a fair value gap? As I explained earlier, so now you have to go to, right, you can also, for the step one, number one, price pulse already have it. For step number two also, you can go and you can select price pulse, price breaks previous day high or previous day low. You can create an alert, so you don't need to keep watching, right? Easy yes, below it or below it. So if I just click on create, whenever price breaks this, you will receive a notification. Or whenever price breaks, for example, gold, whenever price goes below 2739, you will receive an alert. Or if price breaks above 2764, you will receive an alert. So you can just go here, select price pulse, price breaks previous day high, previous day low. So either it goes up or goes down, you will receive a notification. You can create a notification like that. So that is your step number two. So when that happens, now you go to your 5 minutes, right? You can create notification in any time frame because your previous day high, previous day low will be same, whichever time frame you use. Now what you need to do is, right, let us take an example of NQ. Let us say NQ is crossing this 276, right? This is an order block, right? This is a buy order block. You for example, let us say this. NQ is going all the way to 20,340 or 20,400. First, it will drop, but don't immediately take the trade when it starts dropping, right? Let me show you an example on Friday. So, for example, it started moving up, right? It came to the bottom, it broke the previous day low, and then it went up, and then there will be a drop, and then it will start, right? On the day, you will have a order block here, a big fair value gap, right? Because it is already Sunday evening. It got disappeared, but on the day you would have seen a green box here. So when it starts going up and then it will do a retest, that means it will touch that green box. So that is the time where you go long, right? It broke the low and then started going up and then tested the order block or tested the fair value gap. A fair value gap is nothing but a small order block with some buy orders, right? If it is a green rectangle, green box, that is a small order block. So whenever this price goes up, touches that order block, that is where you go long. Then it went all the way up, small pullback, it went all the way up. Now it went all the way to the premium zone, to the resistance. Again, resistance also same thing. Initially, it went to the resistance, came down, again touched the order block one more time, right? This premium zone is nothing but a big order block or a resistance zone with lot of sell orders. So initially it touched the resistance here, it dropped. Generally, right, most of the time when it starts dropping, you take a right? You will receive a sell signal, you take it, but immediately there will be a bounce, right? It will do one more retest. It will go to the resistance one more time. And if you enter in the retest, that is where you will make a lot of profits. Right? And still it will try to come down and then immediately it will bounce back. Right? Whether it is a buy order also, same thing will happen. Right? Whenever it is going up, also it will try to go up and then there will be a drop. It tried to go up, again there is a drop, and again it started going up. In the same way, sell also, initially you will get a sell signal, but immediately it will go up. Again, there will be a big drop. So what you need to do is wait for the right entry via order block retest or the fair value gap retest. So wait for that. So this is step number one, identify previous day high, previous day low. Step number two, you wait, right? Put an alert whenever it breaks a high or low, you will receive a notification. Once it breaks it, they will take it little, right? They will do a fake breakout. They will take it little bit up and then drops. So don't immediately, once it breaks and starts dropping, don't take it. Don't take the sell signal. Wait for one more time for it to go up and then take the sell. You will easily make $500-600 in the drop. Or if it is coming to the bottom, right? They will bring it all the way below the low. They will first do a fake break. Again, they will take it up. Again, immediately they will take it down and then it will start going up. So you have to wait for the retest of the order block, right? Don't take the trade when it touches the order block for the first time, right? You should wait for a double bottom or you wait for the double top, right? 90% of the time they do a double bottom. That means they came all the way to the bottom, to the discount or to the where you have lot of orders. First time they will touch it, they will go little bit up. So what most of the time we do is when it start going up, you will take a buy. Immediately it starts dropping. It will hit your stop loss. You will feel that, oh, it is not a good day for you. And immediately again, they will start taking it up. Right? In the same way, they will take it all the way to the top. They will bring it down. You will take a sell signal. Immediately, they will take it up one more time to the resistance. That is where, right? Again, it will hit stop loss because you already took a sell. It all again started going up. You feel like, oh, okay, it is not working for me. And immediately they will drop big. right? That's what, so, right? They brought it down. Immediately they took it up. Again, they will bring it all the way down. So you have to wait for that order block retest or for the fair value gap retest. And then if you take the trade, you will, every day you will make nice profits, right? Just one trade. All you need to do is either for NQ, ES, RTY, and YM, you follow those rules. The best time for this is 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. EST every day. So you can, right, you can follow this for 1 week and just to follow the rules. And if you don't make profits, let me know. And at the end of the day, create a journal, right? Okay, I took a trade, right? I waited for this step number one. I waited for step number two. Immediately on the first sell signal, I did not take it. They dropped it, and then again they took it up, and then they dropped it. So that is where you have to take the sell. Or when it comes all the way below the previous day low, immediately when they start taking it up, don't buy. Wait for the first time they will take it up, then again they will bring it down. They will do a double bottom, and then they will take it up all the way to 40, 50, 100 points, 200 points up. So if you follow this, right, if you put a journal, you will, right, within 1 week, 2 weeks, you will be consistently successful trader, right? You will understand where you are making the mistake. All you need to do is follow these three steps every day, right? Again, your step number one, your price pulse is doing. Step number two, price pulse is doing, right? You just create an alert. It will tell you when it goes below the previous day high or previous day low. So step number three is, after, if it is hitting the previous day low and going little bit down than your previous day low, if you get a buy signal, don't enter. Wait for the second buy signal after going below the previous day low. Or if it is going above the previous day high, don't immediately take the first sell signal. Once it breaks the previous day high, wait for the second sell signal, right? Initially, first time it will drop, and again it will go up, and one more time it will drop. So that is where you have to take the sell. Then there will be a big drop. There will be 50, 100 points drop on NQ, or 20, 30 points drop on ES. So if you follow these three steps consistently, minimum 4 out of 5 days, you will make $500 on each prop firm account, each of the trading account. So all you need to do is wait for the time, right? This is the best time where they do generally when market opens in the Europe. If market goes up, in the US, they will bring it down. Or in the Europe, if they are taking it down, then in the US market, they will take it up. So generally that's what they do, where they take it below the, so for example, when market opens up, if your price is somewhere here, right, that means it is above the premium area, then they will bring. So the same applies for stocks also, right? For example, tomorrow you see some stocks like, let us say, MDGL, right? So it went all the way to 322 or something. So previous day high is 321. They may take it all the way to 323, 324, and then they may bring it down. Right? They will break the previous day high. They will go a little bit up. And now, if you see the sell signal, you don't buy the options, puts. You wait for the second sell signal, and then you buy the puts. Then it can come all the way to minimum 310, right, around $310 from 325 or 320. Tomorrow you can see MDGL at around 310, 308. Or let us look at some other examples. For example, MYGN. You right, let us say your previous day low was around 16.8. So initially they will try to take it up and bring it down, and then they will bounce it back. So tomorrow we may see your low price was $17 on Friday. So where do you have lot of liquidity? You can see there is a lot of liquidity here, lot of buy orders here. But they will try to do a right. They want to fool the retail traders. They will suddenly bring it down. When you see that, oh, it is going low than the previous day, you feel like, oh, it is again going down. You will take the puts and immediately they will bounce it back. Right. So if you follow this strategy, you can be consistently successful. Always wait for the price to either go up above the previous day, right? Where you see lot of sell orders, right? All this time you don't have any orders. You have around 9,000 sell orders here. You have around 22,000 buy orders, 20,000 buy orders. So they will bring it down and then take it up again. Or if it goes above the price, they will take it up and then bring it down. So all we need to do is wait for the price to either break below the low price of the previous day or high price of the previous day. This is a good time to take shots, or this is a good time to go long. You can do bull put spreads. You can do, if it price breaks this, you can do bear call spreads. If it goes here, so if it starts going up till where it can go, it will go all the way to minimum this. Right? This is like your small resistance. It will try to go till here. Right? If you see, right, any stock, it is the same story. Right? Let us see CVNA. So your previous high price is 249. So what they did, right, on a Friday, they tried to take little bit up. Then the right previous day earnings, after earnings it went to 257. They took it all the way to 259, and there was lot of liquidity there. They took it there and then dropped it all the way. Right, same thing they did with Amazon. Right, after earnings it went all the way to 198. On Friday morning, what they did, they took it all the way to nearly 201. Right, and many people think like, oh, it will go much further. They will buy calls or they will buy stock, and then they brought it down. So they will always try to, right? This was the previous day high on Thursday after earnings. On Friday morning, they took it little bit above and then they brought it down. So if it continues, right? If, for example, if it comes all the way below 190, here you have 18 million buy orders. So they may bring it little bit below the previous day low and then take it all the way up again. So if it comes to this point, you can buy stocks, you can buy calls, you can do bull put spreads, all those things for Amazon tomorrow morning. Right, let us look at Apple. You see low price is 220. Where is your huge liquidity is around 219. So they will try to bring it below the low, and it will, then many people will buy the puts thinking Apple is dropping. Then immediately they will bounce it back. First time they will do a fake breakout, bring it down again, and again they will take it all the way up. They may take all the way to 227 or so. Like that, if you follow those three rules consistently, right? I'm sharing those one more time. Identify the previous day high, previous day low, either for futures or stocks or for currencies, whatever it is. Identify, which you don't need to do, the algo will do for you. and wait for the sweep, right? That means you have to wait for the price to either go below the low of the day, the low of the previous day, or wait for price to go above the high of the day. Wait until that point of time. Don't take any trades. Once those two are done, now you will go and take the trades in 5 minutes. So don't take the first buy signal. Once that is done, for example, if it hits the low of the day or below low of the previous day, first you will get a buy signal. Don't enter the buy signal immediately, right? Again, if you see most of the time, right? If you see, let us hide the price pulse and you see top trend. So you can select any stock, right? Generally, that initially you will get a buy signal. It went below the low of the previous day. Initially, you will get a buy signal. They will bring it down one more time. And now you will get one more buy signal. So this is the second buy signal you have to take whenever it hits the low, previous day's low. If you take this, then they took it all the way to the top.
Kishore, we are seeing your presentation screen.
Okay.
Thank
Right. So yeah, I'm showing you one more example of Lulu on Friday. Right. Initially, they broke the previous Thursday's low, and then they started taking it up. So generally, you when you see a buy signal, immediately you will enter here. And by the time right, by the time you got a buy signal, you entered, it starts dropping. Immediately you get panic, you will sell it off. You will take a stop loss or something, and immediately it will start going up. Right? When you buy it, it will go down. When you sell it, it will go up. That's what happens to most of the retail traders. Right? That's what market makers will try to do to scare you so that they can make all the profits from your money. Right? So you always wait for don't take the first buy signal. You wait for the second buy. Right? Here you got a buy. It goes up. Now you have your day trading or scalping cloud. Let me open. So you got the buy, right? They will take it to the low more than the pre-market low or more than the previous day low. And then you get a buy, you take it. Again, they will bring it down. Now they will take it all the way up, right? Or you look at QQ. You got a buy signal, they will bring it down, they will take it up, right? You see generally any ticker, that's what they try to do. You got a buy, they will bring it down. Again, they took it all the way up. Again, you got a sell, they will take it up again one more time. and then they will bring it all the way down. So whether you use top trend or price pulse, the strategy is same. The strategy is wait for your previous day low or previous day high to break. Once it breaks, you wait. If it is a high, wait for the second sell signal. If it breaks the low, wait for the second buy signal. If you do that, if you wait patiently, then you will make nice profits with stocks, options, or futures every day. Right? All that you have to do. Right? Tomorrow I'll show you in the live session how the market makers will try to uh, create the panic, and then how they will take the market up and down. So today also you can see, right, in case if they take NQ all the way up in the Europe, then they will in the US market they will bring it down. Or in case if Europe they will bring it down to the low. Tomorrow when US market opens up, if you see the price is below the low of the Friday, then immediately market will start taking out. So all you have to do is just wait for that second buy or second sell signal. You can consistently make, and with one trade you can easily make $500-600. Because it will be a huge move, a 50 point, 100 point, 120 point move whenever that second buy or second sell happens. So you have to just give time for that buy or that sell. So any questions on this three steps? Right, in the live session again I'll demonstrate. Today I want you to explain the theory. Tomorrow I'll show you in the live session. Right, you can go and see previous days, last week, last but 1 week. That is what the market makers will always try to do, so that retail traders get panic. They'll take the stop loss. They will hit the stop losses, and then they will take the market up. Yeah, you cannot enable buy sell signals in a price pulse. Price pulse will only show you where you have discount, where you have premium, where you have big buy orders, where you have the previous day low, previous day high, all those things. Right? It won't show you the buy and sell signals. Right? Oh, if you want to take, then basically you wait for the retest of the order block. The price came down, touched the order block, went a little bit up, again touched the order block and started moving up today. Right? Today also nearly they brought, right, on Friday 57.40 was the low of the day. Today also they brought it nearly, right? They did not bring it all. Generally in the morning they will do that. Right? In the evenings you have less volume. They won't do it. But today also they brought it little bit down, and then they started taking the market all the way up. Because once you see that it is going down, many will take a shot. Immediately they started, right? It came all the way to the bottom. Your PI2 started moving up. It went all the way to the top now. So now also first sell signal, don't take it, right? Here also they'll try to bring it down and then take it up. Now the second sell signal, you can take it. If you see NQ dropping, don't take the first sell. Wait for the retest of the order block. NQ also they may try to do a retest. Right here also you can see that it went all the way from the bottom to the top. Now they will do a retest and then they will bring it down. So still your TI2 line is green. So one more time it will go. May touch this line. and then they will bring it down. So it is like a double top, or here it is a double bottom. If it goes up, and then you can easily have 30, 40 points drop. So yeah, but for the strategy which I explained, you do mainly between 7 to 11 central every day, or if you follow that, then yeah, easily you will make the profits every day, or 90% of the time.
And you are using regular candles here, is it right, Kishore, or Ahekanashi?
Yeah, if you are using price pulse, you have to use regular candles. Otherwise, you won't see those fair value gaps.
Okay, thanks.
And because your target can be that fair value gap, right? If, for example, if it starts dropping, then minimum it will go to the next fair value gap, which will act as a support. If you are in Heiken-Ashi, you won't see those um, fair value gaps. So that's why whenever you use price pulse strategy, you be in the normal candles. If you are using top trend, you have to be in the Heiken-Ashi. Right? So this is a strategy which you can take one or two trades every day. You don't need to uh, right sit throughout the day. Only between 7 to 10, 10:30, you will be done for the day. Or the second strategy is the top trend with the colors, right? Red color, T5 should be red, your table should be red, your background should be red, right? That is another strategy. But what I suggest is, if you want to make consistent profits, use the price pulse strategy. If you want to scalp, then use the top trend. But yeah, price pulse is within one trade, you will make bigger profits. So tomorrow you can see, you can observe, right? Tomorrow morning, what market makers will do. They will do the same thing. They will try to take the price either bottom, then the Friday, or top, then the Friday, and then they will bring it down, or they will take it up. They'll continuously do that with ES and Q. On some days, they also do with RTY, So if you just focus on NQ and ES, 500 to 600 is guaranteed every day. But wait for that those steps. You should use 5 minutes time frame.
So you recommend 5 minute time frame for the price pulse, not the 1 minute.
Right, yeah. For the price pulse strategy, you have to use 5 minutes here. If you
Okay.
are using top trend, you
No.
can use 1 minute right? So
Okay.
for top trend, the concept is different. As I said, right, you may go to 1 minute, use top trend. Now it came all the way from the top. I touch the resistance from nearly right around 249. You got a sell here. It came all the way to 210. Now you got a buy. Right, it came to the bottom of the range. Majority of the table is green. So you can right again, as of now it is all indecision candles, because volume will die down now nearly 9 o'clock. So that means 10 o'clock normal time. So volume will be very, very less now. But generally in morning time, if we have this situation, then we can go long. Again, it will go minimum till to the top, right? Because it is in a consolidation, or it is in a range. You got a buy, green background, your T5 line is green, it went all the way to the top. Then again it came all the way to the bottom. Now again it is trying to go all the way to the top. So overall NQES, right? Your clouds, this is blue, this is green. Your background is green. That means very bullish. Again here also your day trading cloud is blue. Your scalping cloud is green. You have a green background. Your RSI 1, 3, 5, 15, 60. Your ADX is completely green. Your SMA, CMS are completely green. So overall, it is looking bullish, right? It may do one more time. It will go as I told you, right? If you watch in 5 minutes, you may feel that oh, it is bearish. But if you see 1 minute, you see that one more time they will try to take it up and then they will bring it down. Minimum they will take it until 225, 226. So you can scalp as many times as you want, right? Because when you're trading with 510 accounts, even if you make $20, that is $200. So I can enter one. So one way is you just take the trade, you wait until it goes to here. Or because every candle it will go up, come little bit down, go up, come little bit down, again go up, come little bit down. You can scalp it multiple times. So I bought it to 17.5. If I sell at around 290, so there might be maybe 2 out of 10 times they may directly write, especially if there is any major bad news. It may not do a double top or double bottom, directly it may drop. But that's okay, right? You want to take low risk and make consistent profits. If it is a normal day without any major bad news or major good news, they will always try to do a double top and then they will bring it down. Or they will do a double bottom and then they will take it up. So don't immediately start taking a sell signal here, right? Always wait for a double top here and then they will take it. Then you may see a big drop. Right? In Europe, we may see a drop, and then again in the US, they will take the stocks up. Right? If we see some more stocks, CRM is looking good for tomorrow. Tomorrow we may see CRM. We may see around 290, minimum 297, 298. If it breaks this, then they'll take it to $300 on CRM. And then let's see. Let's see, we can say 54.72. This INTU will move over 630 plus tomorrow. DQ will go about 24.17 or can go all the way to $25 tomorrow. Dell can reach 134. PLTR is also looking very bullish tomorrow. We may see 44. It went up, brought it down. They are taking it up. They will take all the way to 44, 45. We have PLTR earnings tomorrow. If earnings are good, then it can go to 50 plus. Yeah, most probably it is looking bullish as of now. These are some stocks which can go down. And they will try to take it little bit above the previous day high and then they will bring it down. Yeah, I'll again explain you. But yeah, if you just to follow those simple rules, you can consistently make profits. On EVS 780. Yeah. Yeah, this will act as a strong resistance. So yeah, around 5780 can act as You also have EMA 200. So when price touch EMA 200 from the bottom, this will act as a resistance and bring it down. As of now, NQ is trying to go up. Yeah, if we take the trades again, we have to stay for a lot of time. Right, tomorrow morning, within half an hour, 45 minutes, you can make. Right, all you need to do is create those alerts. One is price pulse, price breaks previous day high, previous day low. You can create on all different, right, mainly NQ, ES, RTY, YM. Whenever you receive that notification that NQ broke the previous day high, previous day low, then you go to 5 minutes and then you watch for the buy or sell signal. Ignore the first one, take the second buy or second sell. I'll share the slide deck slides in the channel. You can just follow it and yeah, just note it down for this week, and then you'll see how much profits you can make if you just to follow consistently the same steps. Yeah, for any stocks also you can follow five. Yeah, top trend also you can use regular candles. Only thing is you will see more signals when you use regular candle, more buy and more sell. When you use Heiken-Ashi, you will have limited signals. Mm, Tesla is looking bullish. We may see 254. And in case in the pre-market, if they take it above 257, they will bring it down. Or in the pre-market, if they take it below 247, then they will take it all the way up. But yeah, this is where you have a strong resistance. Next 2 3 days, they may take it to 264, and then again they will bring it down. So as of now, it is above EMA 200, so it is looking bullish. But they must bring it little bit down below 247 and then bounce it back. Crude oil also may move to 71 to 71.5 by tomorrow. Even all the metals are looking very bullish. Copper, gold, silver.
Uh, Kishore, can you please bring up Tesla? I'm just the daily chart,
Mm.
and in the RCA price pulse, it shows the big green from like from below, like all the way from below like 254, or you can see even clearly from like 242. So that does that mean that whole block is a buy zone? Is that what it is? There are a lot of
Yeah,
buyers.
yeah, there are a lot of buyers here. They are
Okay.
huge. Yeah, if it comes to 215, then will immediately bounce $5-10 on the same day.
Hmm.
But even if it comes to 235, that is a strong support.
Okay.
This is very, very strong support. This is strong support. In case if price comes to 235, again it will go up.
Hmm. So you can
And
do swing trades based on the results.
yeah, whenever it goes here, right in the 1 hour, or let us say even in 1 hour, whenever you have a huge sell order block at a premium zone, that is where if you take bear call spreads, your risk is minimal. Or when it comes to a big buy order block and you are at a discount, you can take bull put spreads and you can easily make nice profits. So all you need to wait for premium or discount. Then your risk is minimal. If it comes to the discount, you have a lot of millions of orders. So here now, if you are doing a bear call or bull put spread, you are selling some 195 and buying 190, then there is no way it can drop below this price. As it keeps moving up, all the premium collected is yours. So yeah, if you just wait for the proper levels, then yeah, you can make nice profits every day.
Okay.
Yes, if I go here and open DSS, for example, it is telling Meta is looking bullish, QQQ is looking bullish, Bank of America is looking bullish. So now I can go to Meta. Mm, Now you can see that there is a huge buy order block. So tomorrow they will, right? If 5 day price is 563. They will try to bring it to 561 or maybe 558, and then they will take it all the way up. So we need to just wait for the price to break below 563, and then whenever you get the second buy signal, you enter calls, you enter option puts, or you do bull put spread. They can take it all the way minimum till 570 or 575. And we have Bank of America. Bank of America came all the way down. As of now, I don't see any major buy order blocks close by. So they may take it up and then bring it down. Bank of America is not good, but Meta, QQQ are good. Amazon, Amazon, they may try to take it little bit above the previous day high, and then again bring it down. This is where they have a lot of liquidity. Or in case if there is in pre-market, if it goes all the way down, tomorrow once market opens, they will take it to 188, and then again they will take it all the way to the top. So we have to wait for either this break or this break. If it goes above this, they will bring it all the way down. If the price goes below this, then so whenever either this breaks or this breaks, then we can go and create a whenever either this or this breaks, the algo will send us an indication. Then we can take if it breaks this one, then it will go up. If it breaks at the top, they will bring it down. Because here this is like a discount area. This is the premium area. So if it goes above, they will minimum bring it to the midpoint. If it goes below, they will bring it to the midpoint. So all we need to wait for either this area or this area. More probability for them to bring it down in the pre-market. When market opens, they will bring it little bit down, and then they'll take it up. Yeah, and Q keeps going up. As I said, they will do a double bottom or double top, and then they will bring it down. Yeah, we have sell orders here, 22.45. So, we'll go here and then drop it. So always, yeah, that's why don't short it here first time. Wait for the second retry. And now if you see dropping, then you may see a 40-50 point drop. Yeah, that's it everyone. So tomorrow we may see most of the oil stocks also moving good. CX. It will do one more double top. Yeah, if you wait for exam to go somewhere here, you can buy puts. If it comes to this point, we can buy the calls. Yeah, that's the plan. So tomorrow we can make some nice profits. As I told you, these are some stocks which I'm looking for shorts. These are some stocks: CRM, HC, INTU, DQ, Nvidia, Dell, ELTR. These ones we are looking for calls, and the metals are looking good, bullish. And yeah, tomorrow during the live session, we can. I'll show you, right, whatever I explained today. I'll demonstrate in the real time. Already we can watch it now, right? We already watched how it is moving, but yeah, in the morning time you'll see it exactly accurately. So, carry on. Good night and talk to you in the morning. Bye, everyone.